Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can translate and copy the text from Google Translate. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you simply need to search for the Translate or Google Translate in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link in here, but you can also choose this one as well. But if you are a beginner, then let me select this link to show you a demo. Now you will be redirected to the official Google Translate page, where you can see there is a language in here which I know. So let's say I know the English language, so let me say hi there in here, and now you can see the Google Translate has translated my English language to the Telugu successfully. So let's say I want to change my language to the Spanish or French. So you can see there is a no French option in here, but you can see Spanish. So if you click on this one, you will be able to translate it successfully. So let's say I want to change it to the Spanish. So simply click on this drop down icon, and you simply need to search for the French in here, because you can see there is a tons of language in here. So let me search for the French. Now let's click on this French, and you can see the Google Translate has translated my English language to the French successfully. So if you want to copy, then simply click on this copy icon, and yeah, you'll be able to copy your translate successfully. So if you want to paste it, you can paste it on anywhere. So let me show you a demo. Let me paste it in here. So Control V. Now you can see you will be able to paste it successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can translate and copy from your Google Translate. And if you're still encountering issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.